Hi guys. One shelf done. Only took me like 20 minutes. Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Natalie. I live in Prague, but as you can probably already tell from the title of this video, this is probably gonna be the last video from this apartment because we have to move out in less than 2 weeks. The reason why we have to move out so soon is because the owners changed and the new owners want to live here. We always kind of knew that this was coming because we knew that the owners are gonna change even before we started to move in. So yeah, this definitely didn't come as a surprise, but it still didn't make it any more easier. But yeah, this apartment definitely will hold so many core memories for me. It was definitely the best first apartment a girl could dream of. Even for the 9 months we spent here, I had a blast. But whatever guys, without further ado, let's start moving out. I'm gonna be starting by packing up all of these like smaller items like glassware, dishes, clothes and stuff because my boyfriend's not here and I really don't want to be moving all the furniture on my own. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely wait for him. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the smaller things. However, as I said, we still have this apartment for a couple more weeks, so I'm gonna be leaving like the essential things still here, like the stove, the kettle, one change of clothes, you know, toothbrushes and stuff I'm gonna leave here. But all of the non-essentials I'm gonna bring back to my mom's place and then we'll take them once we move again. Also, because my boyfriend's not here, I don't have a car, so I did not bring any boxes yet, but I took all of these papers, so I'm gonna start to wrap things up and like prepare them in the shelves, and then once my boyfriend's gonna be here, I'm gonna put them into the boxes as well. One shelf done, only took me like 20 minutes. Now let's do this one. It's all of our mugs, and then I'm gonna move on to the plates too. Yay! Second shelf done, now the plates. I will take a couple plates out just in case we want to eat during the moving process, so yeah, not these. And voila! This actually makes me so sad. Now all of these glasses. Okay, moving on from the kitchen area, I will have to pack up all of my clothes, which fortunately enough, I did not bring all of them yet. Now let's move on to all of this. I'm not even halfway done with my clothes and one IKEA bag is completely full already. Plus Boita's clothes as well. This is how it's looking like. These IKEA bags are definitely like ready to pop, but I hope they're gonna hold. Both of the drawers are completely empty. I've just left some essential clothing in this one for him and for me, just in case we want to sleep over here one day again. But other than that, this is all empty and ready to go. I'm also going to pack all of our shoes into this bag. Hopefully it will all fit. There we go. Into this bag, I'm gonna put all of like the other things, like the stationery, medicine, I don't really know, you know, like everything that I don't know where to put, I'm gonna put into this bag. So let's do it. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to these drawers. They are all filled to the top and they go all the way down to the floor, so that's really nice. I'm going to use this bag for all of like the food related stuff and like the kitchen stuff. And then this just, again, kind of like random things. We packed so much stuff, like look at this. This is everything we have packed, plus all of this for the kitchen. All of this dishware ready to be packed into boxes. And then I also prepared some things for the previous owners that they also have to pick up. We are like halfway done, which is crazy because I feel like I've been packing up for only a couple of hours. My boyfriend's gonna be here in approximately 30 minutes and we're gonna drive to the mountains to get some rest. So I was thinking that I could try to take down all of the wall art. There's not that much. I'm gonna start with these posters because yet again, they're gonna be the most tedious, I think. This is actually making me so sad. Anyways, let's get into it. This is so sad. This lamp, which is like a very expensive antique piece, so yeah, I don't want to break it on the way. All done. Any minute now, but we did so much work. Basically all that's left is boxing up the dishware and taking out all the big furniture, and then we're done. And then obviously taking all the things that we packed today away, but still, like, we did so much work. This is how the apartment is looking right now. It's looking, I would say it's like halfway done, so yeah, I'm really happy. But yeah guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram, my Pinterest, and if you live in Slovakia, Czech Republic, or Poland, you can go check out my Vinted as well. And finally, I also created a brand new TikTok for all of my cooking videos, and it would mean the world to me if you would go and support me there. This is it. And yeah, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!